is owed?
Uh, on the paper that you have in your folder, it is $4,983.92. However, last night I was doing all the touch-ups to get ready, and it came to $6,083.92.
$6,083.92.
Yes, sir.
Okay, does that include your calculation? Does that include March rent?
It includes everything, rent.
It includes everything. All right.
I
Mr.
can,
Wicks, what do you have
yeah.
to say about that?
I have to say this person, I've already filed a police report with Officer Cammy. This person has nonstop harassed me. Actually, I don't even have a lease with him. I had a lease with his daughter, and he came back from Iran, and she just kind of pushed him on me. And this guy has been 100%
Who pushed him
nonstop.
on you?
I mean, saying you got to deal with him, not me anymore. So, but he's been nonstop harassing me. He comes up constantly unannounced. One day after the first day that I missed, he was at the door screaming at me, threatening me that he's going to turn the electric off and everything else. And it
All
just,
right. Okay. So let's back up because Mr. Rajabi, we've run into this before. Who is the lease with?
it's not with him. Sorry.
Mr. Rajabi?
I was in I want to make it really short. I was in my country, my native country, visiting in the summer, and unfortunately, the United States and
Okay, that's a long answer to my question.
okay,
My question is, who is the lease with?
the
Is
lease
the
was
lease
signed.
with
The
you?
lease was signed by my daughter.
I have a
Okay,
copy of that too, Your Honor.
of
When I
course you do.
came back from my native country, my daughter says that, you have a tenant, and from now on, he's going to pay you the rent.
Who owns the property?
I own the property and the bank.
But the lease is between this gentleman and your daughter.
Yes, I
Then she
did.
needs,
May I please? I did tell him that I would like you to fill out an application form with your social security number so that we will have a lease, a new lease. He refused to do so.
well, what's wrong with the lease he has?
Uh, Excuse me, Your Honor, my daughter just called me. I wonder if she's going to say something about this whole situation. Would it be okay if I call?
No, 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 no. We're not going to do
Okay,
it that way.
okay.
Here's
Sorry.
what we're going to do.
Okay, go ahead.
I need all of the proper parties here. That's going to include your daughter. If you want to come down, you come down, and Mr. Wicks. So I'm going to adjourn this out 1 week
May I?
to March 13th, 2026 at 3 p.m. That's an in-person hearing. So everybody needs to come down to the courthouse. Bring all of your paperwork and everything. I'll take a look at it and we'll figure out where we're going to go.
May I make a motion,
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor? May I make a
May
motion?
you what?
I would like to make a motion. May I?
Make a motion?
Yeah. Make
To
a
do
request.
what?
Could you please ask him to at least put in an escrow account that the rent he owes me so far, when we come back, it's going to be up your judgment what is going to happen to that money. Because I think
Okay,
he's dragging his feet not to pay rent and stay in my house.
so first of all, I can't order that at this hearing.
I see.
All right. I don't even know. I heard what's owed or what's been said is owed, but I don't know that I'm talking to the proper party in interest, which may be your daughter.
Okay.
So I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to wait see what the lease says. You and your daughter need to come down with a ledger that's going to show me the amounts that are owed, and then we'll figure out where we're going to go from here.
Okay, may I please say one more thing?
I
Utilities.
can't stop you. Go ahead.
I'm sorry. Your Honor, utilities are not in his name. He's supposed to put them in his name. And he keep telling me, if you shut off the utilities, I'm going to take you to court. I have no intention of shutting off the utilities. I'm a landlord. I know what happens if I shut off the utilities on him. And DT has contacted him, and he's not anything but utilities.
Your Honor,
Okay, there's nothing I can do with that.
Your Honor, may I say something? May I ask
I
something?
really would wish you wouldn't, but go ahead. He's got to say something.
I just want to know what I got to do to have an attorney represent me. I mean, can I have one appointed?
Okay,
to me,
you
or-
can. Okay, so you're going to try to get an attorney. You
I'm
can call
just
legal.
in-
Okay, hold on, folks. You can
Yes.
call legal services. You need that number?
Yeah, can I get it?
Yes, it's area code 734
734
665
665
6181.
6181. And what is the name of the organization?
That's Legal Services of South Central Michigan.
South Central.
Okay, you can call them. The other place you can call is the Michigan University of Michigan Criminal Civil Litigation Clinic. Their number is, I just had it. I don't have that one memorized. It's area code 734. Hang on. Area code 734 763
4319.
4319.
I got it, sir.
You got it?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So you can call them. I'm going to mark the file that you may get an attorney. And we'll see you guys next week at 3 p.m. in person. I
Thank
can't
you.
wait. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
You're welcome. Have a great day, sir.
You do the same.
I'll try. I had to leave
All
work
right.
for today, so. Oh, one more thing. I've never been served a process, period.
Pardon?
This person right here has gone through my mail. I got a picture of it. He took my mail out of the mailbox and put it on my car. Furthermore, I just getting off work yesterday happened to notice this thing in the mailbox, which
What thing?
less than this summons, less than 24 hours is what I had. I got off work at 2 o'clock yesterday to see this. I had to take off work today, and nobody ever, I haven't seen a process server. I get random people banging on my door with this guy screaming all the time, constantly, to the point to where I won't answer the door. Your Honor, one more thing and I'll be quiet. I've been in therapy for
I don't think
PTSD
so.
for over 2 years
What?
now. I've been in therapy for PTSD for over 2 years now. My doctor's Dr. Brower. I just had an appointment Wednesday. This person has gone above and beyond, threatening me and making my life a living nightmare.
Oh my God.
And he's not even, we don't even have a lease together. So please,
All right.
I need help to.
All right. So first thing you're going to do is try to reach out to attorneys.
Yes, sir.
And then, Mr. Rajabi, I don't want you over there in the interim week. Do not go over to the property.
Thank you, sir. I
Your
appreciate
Honor,
it.
hear
when you
me?
put when you give me under oath, I will tell you whether he's telling the truth or not.
Okay, but I'm not there yet.
Okay.
I just need to keep you two apart from each other for the next week until you're in person before me. That's all I need to have happen. Just don't bother each other.
So I haven't seen him in 2 months. 2 months, Your
That's
Honor.
a lie.
I swear
He's
to
there
God.
every single day.
Every single day.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Really? Are we done now? We'll see you next week. Stay away from each other until you get to the courthouse. You understand that? That's an order.
Yes, sir.
Does that mean he's gonna be on the property still?
Just shut up.
I'm sorry, Judge Simpson.
No, don't tell him to look, both of you. You want me to bring you down here today? Because if I bring you down here today, it's not going to end well for anybody.
Okay.
No, sir.
Didn't think so.
Thank
So
you.
stay away from each other. Be quiet. Have a great weekend. We'll see you next week.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot, Judge. I'm sorry for all the
Bye.
inconvenience.
Goodbye.
A payment. I think we just need verification that it's cleared, so we could adjourn this 1 week.
All right. Adjourn this matter to March 13th, 2026 at 12 noon.
Thank you. And Your Honor, just so the court's aware, that payment would have cleared her through February. March does remain unpaid, so, you know.
Gotcha. Okay. Court calls case of Sile Farms versus Marcel Doss Jr. and Justice Richter.
Okay.
Hello. All right. Marcel's here, correct?
Yes, sir.
Got it. All right. What is plaintiff's claim in this case?
With costs, Your Honor, $4,867.58.
You said 4,800.
67.58.
And how are you folks going to get this paid?
So we had filed a SER and we were waiting on that. But we were also waiting on our tax return to come in, and we were just gonna pay the balance in full because we don't plan on renewing our lease. Well, we didn't get a thing to renew our lease anyway, but we weren't gonna renew the lease to stay here anymore anyway. So we just wanted to pay, get a little time to, find where we're gonna move next and pay the balance in full this month. But
Okay.
we were waiting on the SER.
How many people are in your unit?
6.
Okay.
Yeah, 6.
There are six people in your unit?
Yep.
Okay. So
No,
if
eight,
the
eight,
SER
eight,
comes
eight.
eight,
I wouldn't count the 2 adults, me and Justice.
okay. So I think they only go up to 6 or well, anyway, that could net you at least probably about 1,000, a little over 1,000 if the SCR comes through.
Yeah.
All right. So, sir, what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjourn this out 1 week to the
Okay.
13th, 2026 at 12 noon.
Okay.
And what I'm going to suggest is that you may want to contact counsel to see what you can work out regarding how to resolve this thing. The other thing is that in the packet, there was a rental assistance form.
Mm-hmm.
You'll need to fill that out and supply that with the tracking number for your SCR. You need to file that with the court by Wednesday.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls the case of Sile Farms versus Eddie Edens. Oh, Eddie Edens and is it Trey Hickenbottom? Oh, there they are. All right. Well, I got Hickenbottom twice, but I don't know what that's about. Okay. What is plaintiff's claim in this case?
With costs, Your Honor, $3,662.06. They just made a payment of $2,000, so that balance takes into account that payment.
So the 2,000's come off. It was
It already
5,000.
has. Yep, sorry, it was 5,000
Okay.
this morning. Patty updated me as to a $2,000 payment, so 36,6206.
Got it. All right. Gentlemen, how are you going to get this taken care of?
I have a meeting with my financial advisor, so I'm going to pull money out of my 401k, and I'll get it paid next week. Well, within the next 2 weeks. My end.
Okay. You said next week, next 2
Yeah.
weeks. Yeah.
Yes. I have a meeting with my financial advisor next Wednesday. This coming up Wednesday.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then, and even if you then start that process, it's going to take maybe 10 days to get it out, right?
Yeah.
Any objection to 2 weeks, or you want 1 week adjournment, Ms. Dornbush?
Patty, any objection to 2 weeks?
No, I have no objection to that.
All right. So I'll adjourn this to March 20th, 2026 at 1 p.m.
All right.
And Your Honor,
All right.
before these
And
gentlemen
that's-
sign off, Mr. Hickenbottom is signed in, and the spelling of his name is TRAE on his Zoom. We have it as TRA. Is TRAE the correct spelling?
I think it's Trey.
ma'am.
Yeah,
It's
there's an E
TRAE.
on it.
Your Honor, we would just request to have that corrected, both as far as the court
Yes.
records and any additional pleadings.
Dependents to the name to TRAE. Got it. Okay.
Thank
We'll
you.
take care of that. All right. Thank you. Court does call the case of Sile Farms versus Kyle Kroll. You got it.
I'm here.
Oh, there you are. Okay. If you got a camera, I need you to turn that on. And what is the claim in this? What is the claim in this case?
$3,187.16.
All right. Mr. Kroll, how are you intending on getting that paid?
I could pay $1,500 today and the rest of it on the 1st of next month.
Okay, so you're gonna pay $1,500 by today, some point, right?
Within the next hour or two, yes.
Okay, so you're gonna pay that today, and then you got to work out something regarding the balance. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna adjourn this out to March 13th, 2026 at 12 noon. That's an in-person hearing. I'm gonna suggest that you make that payment and then contact plaintiff's counsel's office and see what you can work out to get this done.
Okay.
All right? Thank you,
said
sir.
March 13th at 2.
Pardon?
You said March 13th at 12?
Yes, March 13th at 12.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Sile Farms versus Graceland Morrison or Morrison and Jeremy Hughes.
That's us.
Okay, there they are. All right, what is plaintiff's claim in this case?
Your Honor, my client reported that they made a payment of $150, but there was a question as to whether or not it had cleared on the ledger yet. Patty, were you able to verify that?
Yes.
Okay, so Your Honor, let me just do some math. 3145, 2024 minus 150. All right, we've got them at $29.95 and 24 cents.
I made a payment on the 4th of $1,500. I have the check number that I paid to Ohio Farm if you'd like that.
Was that a personal check or a certified check?
It was certified check. So it was a cashier's check that we paid in through them. So when I'm looking at my portal right now, my balance is $1,556.24. And
Is how much?
it's
A
17.
heated courtroom clash erupted during a landlord-tenant dispute involving thousands of dollars in unpaid rent and serious accusations of harassment. The tenant claimed the landlord had no legal lease with him, saying the agreement was actually with the landlord's daughter. As tensions rose and both sides argued, the judge stepped in to restore order and focused on a key legal question: who is the proper party responsible for the lease? With documents still unclear, the judge postponed the case and ordered everyone back to court next week, warning both sides to stay away from each other until then.
It's $17.56 and 24 cents.
Okay.
Your Honor, we can verify that payment. I mean, the $1,500 payment didn't cure it, and so if we adjourn it, we can look into that payment. I'm not sure.
Okay. All right, so if you guys paid that, when would you I'll adjourn it out a week, but what's your plan for paying off the rest of the balance?
I'm waiting for my taxes to hit. I'm supposed to be getting around 1,500, and then he's working full time, so that'll come in the next 2 weeks, and so we'll be able to pay that. My only thing is that I am requesting that we have this go out 2 weeks because my first daughter is due next week, a week from today. So I am expecting to be in the hospital at any time. So I could be popping this baby out today or next week or so.
You probably should have led with that, but okay. So, so you're due next week.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is your first.
Yes.
Yep.
So it's what are you? Why are you saying yup?
But that's my first.
You know what? Okay, I'm not dealing with you.
I know, right?
I'm talking to her. All right. He's acting like he's got something to do with this.
I
It's
know.
just- right. See, I got it. Okay, I'm gonna put it out 2 weeks. That may be over the objection of plaintiff, but
No objection, Your Honor.
March 20th, 2026 at 1 p.m. And what I would suggest you do is once they do that other check, maybe you can call the plaintiff's attorney's office, see if you guys can work something out.